Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OnePlus Nord 3. So on the first tab, open the Play Store and look for the EasyFax app. Then launch it and decide that you want to get notifications. Now we have to add permissions to the camera and to the files this is necessary. Then go back to the app. And there is a place where you can get your free credits to send a fax message for free. Okay, now click on the plus and choose source of the document, like something from the gallery. Now click on the import. And now you can add this a shape to the document, or the picture. Now click the arrow icon and select the best filter for a photo to make it more visible for the receiver. If you're ready, click accept, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. If you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do like before. If you want to send these documents from this list, click on this button. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.